Okay, welcome back to my channel.
Fuck.
So what I'm going to be doing today is my eyebrows. I have been wanting to get micro blading done for a long time, and I have not. So I've decided to go the easy way out and do some henna on my eyebrows and see what happens. I'm scared. I'm worried that it's not going to turn out. I'm worried it's going to look like shit. I'm worried I'm going to mess up. I'm worried about a lot of things. I'm worried the color's going to look weird. I don't really know what's gonna happen, but I have brown and I have red right here. I also have black, which obviously I'm not going to be using. And I don't even know if I should use, I kind of want to use the red because my hair is red, but I feel like brown is going to be more natural because clearly I'm going for a natural look. So should I just do brown? I don't know why. These are the henna little things that I got here from Amazon. This one has a green tip in it. I don't know why. I'm assuming this is the brown. Yep. This one's the brown, which I think with henna, you just put it on and then wipe it off after like 30 minutes maybe, and it's supposed to work. It's supposed to stain your skin for like up to 2 weeks. So I don't know if I should just use this little end thing right here or if I should use this, which it came with, and it has like a tiny little metal thing on the end. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, all I can say is I hope I don't mess up. Maybe I'll use this. Okay, here we go. Now I'm ready and now I'm scared. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's coming out really, shoot, this isn't gonna work out very well. It's coming out really goopy and not how I would expect. Ah, shoot. Well, should I like outline it first? Oh my gosh, I think I'm making a bad call right now, you guys. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna keep going. I don't know, it's too late now. If this turns out like shit, I'm probably gonna cry. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now the scary part is gonna be this inside, because clearly it's just kind of going on like a big fat blob. Oh my gosh. Well, I guess we're doing the inside. I kind of have no choice. Like, I'm literally trying to go light and it's still coming out as dark as possible. Ugh. My kids are out there fighting. Okay. There's one eyebrow with the henna on. Not quite sure how it's going to look. Here's the other one. I'm gonna put it on this eyebrow. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so I will be back in 20-ish minutes. Wish me luck. Okay, so I'm back. I'm gonna get it off right now. It's been about 20 minutes. It looks very dark. And honestly, my biggest concern right now with getting this off is that it's going to smear. Well, my biggest concern is that it's gonna look like shit, but my second biggest concern is that when I wipe it off, it's going to smear and then it's going to dye my skin. I don't know if that's gonna happen or not, so I'm gonna be really careful with this and use, oh my gosh, well, it's not gonna work. Maybe I need to use a wet wipe or a wash rag. It's like completely dried to my eyebrows, which I think it's supposed to. and it's not really coming off like I want it to. Hold on. So now I'm gonna try a baby wipe and see what happens. It is so dry to my eyebrows. It's like not wanting to come off. I don't know if it really even worked. It's like literally, maybe it worked a little bit. Maybe they're a little bit darker. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's darker. Oh my gosh. At least it's not as dark as I anticipated. I think it kind of turned out like a weird brown color. It is stupid to get off. Oh my God, my kid's out there banging on the door. Ugh. So I got the first side off. It's definitely darker than it was. It's clearly not dark enough. I'm still gonna have to obviously draw in my eyebrows, but it worked a little bit. I don't know if maybe I should have left it on longer or just, I don't even know, honestly. Let me get this side off. It's so hard to get off, you guys. Wow, it's like so dried up in my eyebrows. It's insane. Let me work on this for a minute. I'll be right back. Here are my eyebrows in the natural light. I wanted to show you guys what it actually looks like in natural light. So I'll do like a before picture right here, and then obviously what they look like now. They didn't really do a whole lot. They're obviously a little bit darker. I feel like it's not even like a brown shade. It's more of like an orangey color, kind of. What do you guys think? I don't know. Either way, I'm still going to have to draw my eyebrows on. This did not make them as dark as I wanted them to be, but that is okay. It was an experiment. And maybe next time I'll give myself freckles, or I'll do like the red eyebrows and see what happens. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one.